Creating Doomsday's organic birth sequence required complex interactions between several different fluids: water, amniotic, blood, goo, mucus, spray, and foam. We decided to combine all of these elements as two main simulations: the viscous goo sticking to Doomsday, and the watery fluids from the amniotic sac and birthing chamber. This gave the ability to add fine detail without sacrificing artistic control. For the goo, we looked at real-life fluids and ran tests that ranged from lumpy porridge to mildly viscous maple syrup. We decided that slime had the look we were after. When not completely mixed, it had two viscosities. To get this look, we implemented two-way solves in our Odin simulation tool. We could then combine materials with different shear, elasticity, and stickiness, and have them interact in a realistic manner within one homogeneous fluid. For the watery substances, we created a three-way sim in Odin. The different densities and viscosity of water, blood, and amniotic fluid meant some layers would be suspended and others would float. To art direct the way in which the fluids flowed off Doomsday, we needed to resolve the typical issues encountered when ray tracing overlapping transparencies. Our solution was to develop a custom shading tool to hierarchically mix different materials from various sources, giving us the freedom to liberally add in detail, without having to pay attention to where the materials intersected. After he is unleashed, Doomsday's fury materializes as a massive shockwave we called the Bush effect, a visual representation of an electromagnetic pulse with a violent burst of energy. The progression of the Bush effect was carefully choreographed to show how the energy bubble expanded and destroyed the city. It's made up of 50 different layers, including elements like the shock bubble, which drives other simulations such as dust emission, red energy ribbons, fine electrical arcs, and large lightning strikes. The resulting curve arcs emitted particles that then drove volumetric fluids. Together, these multi-layered effects were then used to light the surrounding architecture and resulting destruction.